Hey guys, so I came home from the mall the other day where I went to purchase some new shorts. So I got these among a couple of others, and as I came home I noticed that this pair actually still had that security tab on it. So you see this here, this little plastic thing that normally is removed at the register. Now as you can see written on here, this is from the brand Ultra Ink, so that means if you happen to break this, then there's some ink inside which is in the end going to ruin your clothes, so we don't want this to happen. And now I could go back to the store, but that is kind of far for me to go to, so I really want to avoid having to do that. So the alternative is to remove it at home, which is much more convenient and actually can be done within a couple of seconds. Now please consider that I'm not explaining this in order to help people to commit theft at a retail store. This video is plainly to show what to do when they forgot to take it off and they sent you home with these tags still attached. Okay, so now let's get to it. And we only need one single tool, and that is one really strong magnet. So one like this here, this is a neodymium magnet, and all we have to do is point it really close to the one end of these tags. And you see already the tag comes apart pretty much by itself already. I really have to go just a little bit closer to it, and then the one side will come off by itself. So here you see really easy. I put it back on again, and as soon as I get close with the magnet, the one side detaches and we can take it off. And at this point, of course, here we can carefully take off the opposite side also, and then you have to be careful because there's this sharp needle here on this side. You don't want to injure yourself with that. And then you see here also the two ink capsules. So in case you were to break this piece of plastic apart, then this is what breaks, and the ink would go out and go all over the clothes and yourself probably also, and the clothes would be ruined forever. Okay, so now let me just put these back together so that it's safe and doesn't get accidentally broken. And now we can discard this or bring it back to the store if we wanted to. And yeah, so this is how we do this, simply with a really strong magnet. Just hold it close, and then you can remove one of the ends of this tag, and then your clothes are ready to be used. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.